Hi guys, it's Sophie from Just Fabrics, and today we're going to show you how to hang your curtains. The first thing you'll want to do is to make sure the number of rings or gliders on your track or pole match the number of hooks that are in your curtain. Once you've unpackaged your curtain, put the weight over one shoulder and have the hooks and the header in your dominant hand. So work along the track or pole in order, putting the hooks into position. Make sure one ring, if it's a pole, is between the last bracket and the finial to make sure the curtain doesn't pull across the whole pole. To hang your eyelet curtains, you can start by doing it off the side of the pole. Make sure the end is facing towards the wall, and then you want to fold them up in a concertina effect before you slide them onto the pole. Once you've got them folded up, you can then slide them onto the pole. Once you've hung the curtain on the pole, you want to make sure the last eyelet is in between the bracket and the finial, so that it stops the curtain from pulling across the whole of the curtain pole. Your curtains will come ready gathered with the hooks in place. Should you need to adjust the height of them, the pencil pleat curtains will come with various different pockets so that you can move the hooks up and down. For double and triple pinch pleat curtains, the heading will come hand sewn with buckram, so the pinch pleat hooks are slightly different. You can still adjust them in the same way, but you have to use care when doing this because the pin hooks are very sharp. You simply push down on the top piece and the pin hook will slide out, and then take the sharp end and push it either further down or further up into the buckram and push to secure it in place. Please note that if your curtains include a half width of fabric, this always hangs on the outside edge of the window. To find your half width of curtaining, go from the edge of the curtain, and the seam line will be roughly 30 to 50 centimetres in from the edge. So follow the line of the tape, and once you find the seam, if it's roughly 30 to 50 centimetres in, that's your half width, and that needs to sit on the outside edge of the curtain pole or track. Thanks for watching the video, we hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and for any more information or other videos, have a look at our website and social media.